Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Garten of Banban on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, ensure that you have Steam installed on your PC. Steam is a great platform where you can explore and download tons of games. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the official Steam website. In the top right corner, click Install Steam and follow the instructions to get it set up. Once Steam is installed, open it up. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Click Create a free account, enter your email, and set a password. After logging in, go to the search bar in the top right corner of Steam and type Garten of Banban. You'll see the game in the search results. Click on the game's name to open its store page. Since Garten of Banban is free, simply click Add to Library. Now, head over to your Library tab where you'll find Garten of Banban listed. Click on it and press the Install button. Select your preferred installation location and click Next. The game will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, the Play button will appear. Click it to launch Garten of Banban. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.